Okay, 26 and 27 we'll knock over here. A student recorded the weight of over 10,000 bean seeds and graphically presented the data as shown. So there's 10,000. They had in the identical environmental conditions. So when I look at that, the first thing I look at, oh, that looks like a continuous distribution, i.e. the normal distribution in a way. And so when I know that, I know it's polygenic. That's the first thing that I actually come to the conclusion by looking at that data. So I'm looking for a statement really of why the seed weight would vary. We know it's because of the presence of many genes. So if I go through this, A, homozygous, no. B, many genes contribute to determining the weight of the seed. That is in line with polygenic inheritance. And the bean plants grew, C and D go away, therefore B is correct. In this one, 87% of individuals got this right, so a pretty stock standard one. Moving into 27, we've been given two different types of cacti, or so it looks like, but plants they say. We've got this long name and this long name, doesn't really matter. We know that they are distantly related plants and they belong to different families. They both live in dry regions, but they also both share a phenotype, which is thick, succulent stems to store water and spines for protection. So the question actually, or the action we've got here is the similarity between them in form and function is evidence of what? Because they're distantly related plants, one, and they belong to different families, but they now have similar form and function, that actually means they've converged on each other. So I get rid of allopatric speciation and genetic drift. They've converged on each other because they were distantly related, but now they have those similarities in form and function, which means they've become similar, they've converged on each other. The idea of these things coming into one thing, and this is the converge. So therefore A is correct.